Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am in Kindersley, Saskatchewan. I spent the night at the side of the road. We have these two big roads along the main highway through town. The semis parked there overnight. I don't know. Nobody ever said anything to me, so I spend the night here every once in a while, just to catch up on sleep. It was crazy weather yesterday. Got off work yet. I drove 6 hours across Saskatchewan on my way to Calgary, and it was storming. Which, well, it is winter, and it is about time that we got winter-like weather. So this morning it's minus 27 in Kindersley. Spent the night, and we're off to Calgary. Reason we're off to Calgary is it is my younger nephew Jonathan's birthday. So we are going to go spend some uncle time with him. And then it is also, as you remember, some members from the guild, Jackie from YYC Camper Girl, Rob from RV Dreams, and Donna from Donna's Road Trips all had birthdays, like I think within actually the last week. We're all getting together for a couple of drinks. So I'm going to hit the button here and make some coffee. I've got the engine warmer, block warmers going, warming up the engine. And once we get it fired up and warmed up, let's hit the road and let's get off to Calgary and let's go celebrate a whole bunch of birthdays. Glad you could join me. Hey Siri, show me directions to Jono's place. Do it. Not one, no 40.
Let me get out and take a look and let me know if oh no, I can see it's moving.
Yeah, well, what about your back ones?
For a list of retailers, visit
Okay, go the other side. Okay, you're good.
It's just weird.
There's something wrong there, but okay.
Yeah, let us know when you're coming back, because I'm going to be taking Jonathan to practice. At 9, I'm on the way home. I can swing back.
Okay, right. Peace.
Oh, you got your camera.
Yeah, totally. Happy birthday.
Hi. Oh, thank you. Thanks for coming. What a lovely surprise.
Yeah, I think. Oh yeah, I'm doing 360. Okay.
Oh, so I was wondering about you. I was like, oh, I wonder how he's gonna get there.
Yeah, no, my brother drove her. He's just over Silverado Plains. Not too far. It was like a 10-minute drive.
Oh, so right. Okay. That's how you're gonna talk like.
Yeah, something. Hi.
How are you this evening?
Oh, we're well.
That's good.
Donna, I think, said she had a table for us.
Oh, Donna, she's here.
That was on the Instagram, yeah.
Oh,
Is that a table for 9? Yeah, that's us. I actually bought 3 cameras to dinner tonight.
Remember, and summer's good games on Sundays too.
We should get friends.
What's that?
No, I have to wait for my dad. Dad, we're dressing you for.
Oh, I'm willing to bet the police will show up and tell you that you're not allowed to take all the paper towel out of the bathroom. Well, here he is, sports fans. Number 7 on his back in the orange shoes. It's our little Jonathan. He's actually turned 11. But you get a sports highlight reel because we didn't film the actual birthday because we stayed present in the moment. But just a little highlight of what we did. Since it was his special day, he decided that we were going to watch a horror movie. Him and his brother built a fort, and we watched Weapons, which actually I was surprised was a pretty good show. And I was actually really surprised that 11-year-old boy would want to watch a horror movie for his birthday. So after we watched the horror movie, Uncle Kevin took Jonathan to the theaters. And what did we watch? Yes, another horror movie. Five Nights at Freddy's, Part 2. Which actually, again, was a good movie. And I've never seen the first one. So I'm going to have to go back and see that. But that's what he wanted. But besides being a big horror fan, he's actually very skilled at soccer. He's been invited to play at Real Madrid next year, which is a world-famous soccer team, if you don't know, because I didn't know. But besides that, this kid is actually wicked good at chess. It's very stressful to play him, and I bet you he beats me more often than not now. So happy birthday, kiddo. Uncle loves you. Look forward to many more years of watching you play some soccer and getting my ass kicked at chess, evidently. Love you lots, kiddo.
Backwards and like, anyway, 3 to 5 days is what he wrote down. If you can't see it very well in the video, I do apologize.
So some of the other highlights of my Calgary trip was I got to film a couple of videos with Rob here from RV Dreams. Head over to his channel if you actually want to see the interview. We talked about power systems and what he's hoping to achieve with his RV and why I think he's absolutely crazy to want to power 3 air conditioners on a battery bank. But hey, you got the money? Let's see what we can do. It was a really good opportunity. Plus, he also filmed a video, which as of recording this video, he hasn't put out yet, but he did a tour of my van, which is pretty awesome because that's the actual first time a YouTuber has asked for a tour of my van. Very honored. But definitely, head over to RV Dreams and give him a thumbs up and a like, but also watch the videos.
Barbecue sink out on your deck. And it's just, a little 12-volt pump that just fits in top of the water cooler bottles. I've converted mine.
Let's go make some content breaking into vehicles.
Yeah. Is this for Mom? And do you finance this?
Here's what.
Get past that seal,
Yeah, I can see into the vehicle now. So.
There we go.
Get it hard enough to push that button.
Oh yeah.
you're down at that angle, you might even be able to just push the button. Have it. Oh, yeah, okay.
There it is. There. Might as well have fun. Don't know the talking. There we go. Dangle. There we go. Yeah! Huzzah! We would not make it as car trips. We would have been way busted by now. You would have cheered, turned around, the cops would have been like, good job. Good job, yeah. Here's your prize. Chinese customers.
Oh. Whew. Yeah, that's nipply out there. Couldn't have done that this afternoon when it was 0.
Yeah. Nice.
Sacrifice 2 coat hangers and a spatula.